Hi guys, welcome to another Divi Theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in yesterday's video we showed you how to create this full width YouTube video background section. We're going to do some more videos today. We're going to show you how to make your MP4 videos autoplay on a loop just like this. Got to do a little bit of coding for this today, but don't worry about that. Any code that we do is just simple copy and paste. So let's get started. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. Once enabled, I'll go down. Let's just close that other tab out. I'll go down and delete this video right here. Okay, I'm going to add just a simple video module. Divi comes as standard with all the light grey modules here. I'm going to use a video module for this today. And it's going to prompt us to upload an MP4 file or a YouTube URL. We're going to use the MP4 today. So let's go grab one. I'm going to go into pexels.com. I've just put in some city search up the top here for free videos. Great site for free videos and photos. Let's use this Eiffel Tower one here. I'm going to click on it. What you want to bear in mind with videos, you only really want to download the smallest size that you can use. So if we look at our page over here, this is really the biggest area that we've got to fill. So under the free download, little arrow at the side, choose the smallest you can deal with. Probably do SD 540. I'm going to do HD 1280 by 720. I'm going to hit the download. As you can see, it's downloaded it to my browser here. I'm using Google Chrome. Yours will download it to wherever your default download is. Great, now we've got it. We'll go back to our page here and we'll add it. I'm going to trash the default Divi video that's in there. I'm going to hit the little plus button to add a new video. And I'm going to drag my new video up here. Great. When you're ready, hit that upload video button. And there's our little video. It's static at first, but it's got a little play button. You can play it. What I want though is I want it to play automatically when the page loads, and I want it to loop round and round and round. That's a pretty short video there, but you'll get the idea. So let's save this now. To do this, I'm using a bit of code from learnhowwp.com here. And I'll put this URL down below for anybody that needs to copy this code. If we look on this page, we roll down a little bit, we've got some JavaScript right here. I'm going to copy all of that from the opening script tag to the closing script tag. Control C to copy. Then we need to go down to our dashboard. Go down to Divi, that'll take you to theme options. Go over to the integration tab and it'll take you to this page here. We need to add this code to the head of our blog. I've already got mine in there. If I delete it, pretend like I haven't got it in there. I've got some more script in there, but that's fine. You can just scoot that down and put this on top. I'm going to paste what we just copied in there, Control V. There it is. Then you want to go up and make sure you save the changes here. Great, well now we've actually got that in there. We want to make this video autoplay. If we look at this little article here, and it's a great read if you want to read it, it tells us that we can just give our video the class of LWP Video Autoplay to make it autoplay. So I'm going to copy that class, and that's just below the JavaScript that we just copied. Again, Control C to copy. Going to go back into our page. I'm going to go in there, inside the video module. I'm going to go to the advanced, and we've got CSS IDs and classes at the top here. We want to paste that class in the class, not the ID. Make sure you put it in the class. Now you may have noticed that nothing's happening, or you may not have noticed that nothing's happening because nothing's happening. But if we save this and refresh the page, save draft or publish if you're ready. Once we exit the Visual Builder, that video is going to autoplay and it's going to loop. There it is like that. I prefer the actual other one, but that's fine. And that'll work on most devices. The reason the sound's muted, and it's a good idea to have it muted, if you don't have the sound muted, a lot of browsers will block that, but that's okay. They've actually included some code here. If I go back to this page, if you want to disable the looping of the video, it says you can delete line number 5 from the code. So here's line number 5. Just need to delete that one. It says loop right there. And imagine if you want to stop it being muted, which is probably not a good idea, you'd probably delete line 4. Let's see what it says down the bottom here. And if you want to show the controls, it says you can delete line number 11 here, which if we look down here, roll back to the left hand side, here's line number 11. You can delete this one. There's another option for you if you want to show the controls, but this, for mine, it's a short little video. And just to test it out, let's refresh this page, make sure it's going to work when we load the page. There it is. So there is how to autoplay your MP4 videos using the Divi theme. Really easy to do. Once again, I've got this code from learnhowwp.com, and I'll put this URL down below for anybody who wants to copy this. Great little feature to have on your website. Really easy to do. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, if you've got any questions, pop them below the video. I'll do my best to answer them for you or make a demo video. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.